This video is intended to help our students and parents understand how to work with Google Classroom with our classes. First, Google Classroom will need to be accessed through a personal Gmail account. This is because any accounts associated with any schools, whether it is a public school, private school, or charter school, or even a G Suite affiliated account, the security functions set by the schools or companies will keep the student from adding our own Google Classroom codes. In order to access Google Classroom, you will need to go to this particular link, which is classroom.google.com. If you cannot remember this particular link, you can also type in Google Classroom to your web browser and click on the first option, which will be available after the Google ads. This will be the homepage you will look at before you add any classes. This profile icon in the upper right-hand corner displays which account you are currently logged into. Once again, please make sure it reflects the account you would like to use. Next, we will go ahead and click on this plus sign, which is already being directed at since we have not logged into any classes yet. Once we click on the plus sign, it will prompt us to join or create a class. Students will only have to focus on joining a class. We'll go ahead and click on it, join a class, which will take us to this pop-up message. You will then insert the particular code Excel Academy Administration has provided for you. The code you will need to submit in this section is case sensitive, which means any character that does not directly reflect the code will subject you to reinsert your code. Once we have added the code, it will take a couple of seconds to allow you to join, but once it has processed your code, you will be faced with the default page of the class. This page that you're looking at is known as the stream page. You can navigate between the multiple pages by clicking on the tabs at the top of your screen. This page serves as a stream or communications forum for our students. This is a way to communicate with your classmates and your instructor. Please understand anything posted here is public and subject for anyone and everyone who has access to this particular class to view. On the side here, you will be able to see any upcoming assignments that you have. If the instructor has created an assignment for you on Google Classroom, it is the student's responsibility to check in and submit your work on time. This area will remind you that you have an upcoming assignment. Next will be the Classworks tab. This is where you can access any and all materials that have been uploaded to you in particular. If you access a class and cannot see any assignments, please notify the office, and if need be, we will change any viewing settings for you. Once the instructor begins uploading any necessary materials for you, you will see them through the materials folder. In order to view the files, you will need to click on the tab. Click on it to see a preview version. And if you'd like to print it for a physical copy, click on the printer icon. In order to submit any homework that you had assigned previously, click on the assignment that is relevant to you. In this case, it would be the assignment that is titled Classwork/Homework. Once you click on it, any instructions attached to the assignment will be present. Click on View Assignment, and it will take you to the submission page. On the right, you will be able to see where you can add your files. You may take a picture of your work or scan and upload it based on where you have saved it. You may also click on Upload, which will allow you to upload any files or documents from your computer. If you need to add a private comment, please do so in the private comment section, as the other comment section is public and will be attached to the assignment. Once you have submitted your assignment, you may exit the page. If you click on the Mark as Done tab, there is a chance it will prevent you from submitting an assignment in the future. To exit, simply close out of your browser or click on the three lines in the left-hand corner and navigate to any class you need. Thank you for watching, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to contact the office.